Hello, everybody. This is Becca from Empowering Pumps and Equipment. Today, I'm with Glenn Wieczorek, and he's from Tsurumi. Glenn, why don't you introduce yourself?
Good morning, Becca. So yes, I'm Glenn Wieczorek. I'm the Managing Director President of America, and I'm glad to be here with you this morning.
I'm very excited to have you back again. I love our chats and getting to connect with you. And, as you know, October is a big month for water wastewater, especially with WEFTEC coming up very soon. Why don't you tell me how Tsurumi is impacting the space for the better?
Okay. Well, yes, obviously WEFTEC is a big part of our month for October and our what's going on here with our company. So I think that the biggest thing that we're able to do is we offer a holistic look at handling wastewater and treating wastewater. So we're a bit unique, I think, compared to a lot of other companies that we not only do the pumps, but we also present and we provide a lot of process equipment, such as aeration equipment, such as decanting equipment, such as mixing equipment, even dehydrators for that matter. And I think we're a little bit unique in that. And what it allows us to really do is to, once again, look at a holistic approach to the applications and the issues and problems that people and entities have in handling their wastewater. So we're excited about always adding new products to that line, but I do think that we're a bit unique in that factor that we can offer that.
I love that, looking at the holistic way of it and how, from the application standpoint, like you mentioned, that you're able to really help solve the problem for your customers.
Yeah, it's an approach that we like as well, to look at everything that we do more from a holistic point of view rather than just zeroing in on one specific item or one specific point. It's the way that we operate our organization as well. So it really does fit well with our corporate culture.
I love that. And, with that kind of view, how are you able to best support water professionals in their everyday roles?
Well, fortunately, that once again, that holistic approach allows us to really have everybody focused on that approach rather than zeroing in on one item. We've added a lot of new people in the last year, 2 years. We've added a lot of people to our engineering department, and we brought in, engineers that have been in the business and that they bring a lot of their experience with that as well. So we've been recruiting a lot. We've been recruiting some people with great experience, and I'm just so excited to have them on board because, once again, what they bring to Tsurumi and what they're going to be able to bring to our customers. I like to think that we pride ourselves on great customer service, and while COVID has certainly been a challenge for all of us from a delivery point of view and for customer service, I think we've done a really good job at filling those holes. I think we've done a really good job at doing everything we can to make sure our customers feel that we're supporting them. And that, again, I think it's a feeling, it's a culture, once again, throughout our whole organization. And from our inside salespeople, we've got a lot of people who have been here for a long time. They're very good at what they do. I'm always proud when I go out and I visit customers and distributors, and when they will pinpoint somebody on the team and they will say, so-and-so does such a great job with me. They're my go-to person. And then I'll visit somebody else and they'll say, so a different person is their go-to person. So I know that we're doing a great job with customer service. And so that really is kind of a feeling throughout the company. Same thing with our engineering department. So I'm proud of what we've achieved. And I think that we do, once again, we're able to give people that need our help a great opportunity to get that from us.
Yes, and customer support and being able to help your customers is so important. It's always been important, but it seems to be more important now than ever to be having those strong relationships and just really, at the end of the day, just helping people.
Oh, absolutely. I think that all business, but in particular the business that we operate in, is that it really is dependent upon those relationships. And here in our organization, we talk about respect all the time, and I think it's important to respect the people on our team, but it's also important to respect people outside of our team. And once again, I like to think that our culture cultivates that, and that permeates throughout our whole organization.
Absolutely. And I'd like to hone in a little bit on your Avant pump line and what people can kind of expect to see at your booth with it.
Sure. So a couple of years ago we introduced the Avant line of our pumps, and it's specifically for waste and wastewater. We've always had pumps for the water and wastewater, but this is really broadening the range of products that we're able to bring to the market and solutions that we're able to bring. So currently right now we have up to 250 horse power pumps, and we can make it, it can be specified to anything that a specifying engineer, municipality, or independent industrial operation would need. So it really is broadening the solutions that we're able to bring, so that once again, in conjunction with all those other products, is our product range is getting very, very wide right now. And so it's good from a customer point of view, and it means that we have to do a great job at giving people that service, and the Avant line allows us to do that.
That's great. And with that, people can obviously see you at WEFTEC and learn more about the Avant line and all of the other things that you offer. Why don't you tell people the best way to connect with you and Tsurumi?
So you're correct. I will be at WEFTEC myself, greeting everybody, and hope to see you there as well. So that is probably for October. That's probably the best way to get a hold of me in person. If you want to get a hold of our company, probably the best way is through our website, tsurumipump.com. And there we have a lot of features that people can go there and get some self-help, but there also all of our contact information is on there as well. I will also give you, I guess, a little bit of a precursor, is that we are getting ready to launch a new site relatively soon that will once again even expand the ability to help customers through that site. And so we're really excited about that, because it's just going to give us a better touch with our customers and distributors.
That's wonderful. And yes, regardless of WEFTEC, everyone stay tuned to hear about the new site, and when that goes live, we will let you know on that. But yeah, if you are at the show, definitely stop by and introduce yourself to Glenn or any of the awesome Tsurumi people that will be at the booth. And I'm very much looking forward to the show and to see you as well, Glenn. Thank you.
Yes, well, thank you, Becca. I always appreciate the opportunity to speak with you and to get on here and share what's going on with Tsurumi with the rest of the world.
Yes, we love it too.
Well, thank you very much.